Welcome guys again to this part. So in this part I'm going to create the ceiling and roof. Okay, so let's start by creating the ceiling. Click to ceiling, and from here let's specify the height offset. So let's 3 meter and 80 centimeter, and let's edit the ceiling and duplicate and rename to ceiling. Okay, and let's select the material from here. I don't need this one, I just need one material, one structure. So let's, the thickness is 20 centimeter, and let's specify the material like this. Add ceiling, and then check this box, appearance, copy, and library. Appearance, library. Okay, so let's find something shape symbol, something like this. Apply and okay. So again, let's sketch the ceiling. I'm going to use a pick line. So let's select this line, this one, and this line, and I need a line in here. Okay, let's trim and extend and finish. So this is in 3D. Okay, this is the ceiling. Okay, so now I'm going to create the wall shape, and then let's lay profile, finish perpendicular, and then let's select this one, maybe base one. Okay, so let's go to architecture and then wall. So let's duplicate this, wall shape. Okay, maybe wall shape 1, and from here you can choose the profile, which the size, and the material. From here you can choose the material. I'm going to create new material for the wall shape. Okay, so we can go to the wall shape. So now let's put one in here. So now let's put everywhere, and then later we can move and align. Okay, it's like for the decoration and something looks good. Up to you if you want to create this shape around your wall or not, under the ceiling. So from here let's specify the offset like 0. Okay, this is a shape around the wall and the floor, and also you can for the under the ceiling like something different like this maybe. It's like a boundary around the wall to looks good inside the building. So especially it looks good under the ceiling. So let's rename to shape, all shape 2, and also from here let's change the size, and let's specify the material. So it should be the same like white. The wall color may be white, so I'm just going to choose the wall material. Okay, I duplicate it and rename, and now I'm going to use this one. Okay, no need to again change the material. Lie and okay, okay. So let's again put the shape around the wall. So now let's align all the shape. I'm going to use align tool. Okay, so because it should be under the ceiling, okay, like this. When you use align tool, first select the ceiling and then select the line of the wall shape. Okay, you can see it's now you can lock the place. Let's go to south elevation. Let's check in here. I think everything is fine. Okay, this is the shape for the on the floor, and this one is under the ceiling. Okay, so it's I don't need in here, so I think I have to delete this one or cut. Okay, maybe I use align tool, align from this inside the door, inside the wall. Okay, if you can find this line, you can use the tab key. Okay, then the selection tool will change. Okay, okay, now it's finished the sweep, and now I'm going to work on the roof. Let's go to the roof floor, and again select the roof, then of course first select the type of the roof, which kind on the material, and then change the type of the material from here. And I'm going to rename to a roof, and for structure for the I'm going to insert 2 layers in here. So the one is the bottom and one the top of the roof. Okay, so let's change the material for this. You can see this totally is 10 centimeter. So let's choose the material for this, create new material and duplicate. maybe roof 1, appearance, copy to library. Let's go to the roof and find Spanish tile. I like this one, so I'm going to select this one. And for the bottom layer, so it's something material white, like the wall. So let's duplicate this, roof 2. Okay, and then okay, finish. Okay, this structure is like this. So now you can use these tools. I'm going to use rectangle, and first of all I'm going to offset like 70 centimeter around the wall. Okay, and now I have slope to everywhere, and then so let's make little more, maybe 3 meter. Okay, because this is the front of the supermarket, and remove the slope because the water not come from the supermarket. Okay, so let's see in 3D. It looks like this. Okay, so now attach the wall to the roof. First select the wall, and then click the attach top. Okay, again this wall as well, like that, and this two wall as well. Okay, you can do one by one, or you can select all the wall first and then attach the wall. Okay, this is the roof that the same color, the bottom of the layer. Okay, so now I'm going to create the roof soffit in here. So go to the roof and roof soffit, and then again let's go to date type, duplicate, and let's rename to soffit, and edit the material. Maybe 5 centimeter, and let's see the material. Something white color like this. So let's use the pick line. Okay, and now let's finish. Let's go to 3D, and the soffit looks like that. So in here this still it looks good. As you can see, in here we see a gap, so we need to close this. So for this, let's go to model and place something, create something, a wall, or useless guesswork, and you can change the name or not. So let's create an extrusion in here, and now select first work plan, and from here pick plane, and then click to in here, and let's create pick line, and then trim and extend. Okay, the extrusion into this I start from the 0. Okay, and this let's change the material. I'm going to use the same material that I use for soffit. Let's finish and finish model. Okay, so let's see, and different angle. Now it looks like this. So you can adjust now where it should be. Let's move a little bit like this, and again I'm going to edit the soffit little bit back. Okay, it's aligned to the wall, yeah, it's not come from. Okay, so now I mirror this for this side. This is how to close this gap as well, and this aligns it with the wall. Okay, now I'm going to create the roof fascia for the roof. Okay, so again let's go to edit type again. After selecting the roof fascia, let's duplicate and let's rename from here maybe just fascia, or change the name roof fascia. Okay, this is from here I'm going to select the profile, or for that maybe flat 1.4 or 1.8, and the material from here, so it should be the same material, maybe roof, or let's change, you can change also. I going to use the same color with the roof, this one, yeah, but not the same material, just the same color. Yeah, I'm going to use something material, this color. Let's apply on. Okay, let's insert like this. And you can add all around the roof, yeah, like this. This is how to create the roof fascia. Okay, so now I'm going to make little bit more realistic, and maybe change the floor from the first, so because the floor for in here different, for the toilet different, so let's go to edit and maybe use a tile, something like that, and I insert one more structure in here. It should be thickness 20 centimeter, and this one maybe 130. Yeah, so let's change the material for that. So let's rename maybe tile, because the first time I just created the floor with the material concrete. Okay, so now I'm going to add a tile on above that concrete. Okay, so that's why I'm trying to do that. Yeah, now it looks better. Okay, so for toilet, of course, we need different tile, or maybe the size of this different like that. Okay, so you can change as well this. I'm going to create a floor with a small thickness above the first floor. It should be little up with the first floor. Yeah, maybe floor for the tile, for the toilet. So now I just need one layer, so I don't need the structure, just I need the different tile in here. Okay, tile for toilet. So let's see. Maybe select this one. Thickness is 20 centimeter, 22 centimeter. Let's go to the ground floor and then use the tool to draw one floor in here. Let's select big pine. Like this, and now let's delete this one, and now trim and extend. Okay, let's change the level. It should be the level ground floor, and then finish. So let's go to 3D. It looks like this. Okay, okay. It's little bit up to the first floor, so let's create a small wall in here. Maybe and then a mold for toilet, and the thickness is 10 centimeter. Not 10 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Okay, because my unit is in millimeter. So let's draw from here. Around this the wall, and then later I will align this. Okay, let's go to modify, align tools, align every side of the wall like this. Okay, so now from here you can align in here as well. Let's see in 3D. Let's look like this. Okay, for toilet we need ceramic around the wall as well. Okay, this is how to create the ceiling, roof, soffit, and roof fascia in Revit. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.